Job title, Trainee, Technical Support and Data Operations Company. Cognizant eligibility, graduates from 2022, 2023, 2024, with a 3-year full-time degree in BCA or BSc, CSIT, MATHEMATICS, PHYSICS, CHEMISTRY, STATISTICS, ELECTRONICS, or allied streams. Minimum 50% marks in 10th, 12th, and UG. Work location, any Cognizant office, flexibility required. Work mode, work from office, rotational shifts, including night shifts. Job description, as a trainee, you will provide technical support to clients, troubleshoot and resolve IT issues, log support tickets, work closely with IT teams to resolve complex problems, use MS Excel for data entry, analysis, and reporting, collaborate with team members and support documentation and admin tasks. Skills and expectations, good verbal and written English skills, basic knowledge of MS Excel formulas functions, a proactive, client-focused, and collaborative attitude, willingness to work in shifts and from the office, Microsoft Office Specialist MOS in Excel, preferred but not mandatory. Perks at Cognizant, night shift allowance cab facility for pickup and drop, timely rewards and recognition, learning and growth in a global IT environment, documents required, resume with high-res photo, ears visible, light background, all academic mark sheets and degree certificates, Aadhaar card and PAN card, with correct name details, over 300,000 global associates, listed on NASDAQ 100 and Forbes Best Employers, 2024. Focus on innovation, inclusivity, and career growth. If you're a recent graduate with 0 to 1 year of experience and are looking for a stable IT career with a top MNC, this is an excellent opportunity to start strong.